Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please consider subscribing and clicking on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my delicious and amazing recipes. And if you're already a member, thanks for subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my Ghana salad. Let's go through the ingredients and let's get started. Let's start by prepping the veggies, which is carrots, cucumber, cabbage, tomato and onion. So I've already washed and you can see I've already peeled the skin of the carrots. The cabbage, for instance, I wash it with water and a little bit of vinegar. So make sure your veggies are washed and clean. Set it aside. We're going to slice it into thin slices. You do not want any chunks of carrots or cabbage. So this is what you're looking for. Thin slices cabbage like this. Time for the cucumber. Make sure you squeeze out the liquid from the cucumber before using it. See, it's full of water. Also make sure you slice the onion into thin slices. And now the tomatoes. So guys, I've prepped the vegetables, everything is ready. Now let's mix everything together. In a big mixing bowl, add in your cabbage. Make sure you don't have any water in the cabbage. That's why I put in the tissue, just to suck any water from the cabbage. Add in the carrots and the cucumber, tomatoes and onion, salt and pepper. Mix together. When done mixing, add in the pasta. The sausage, and mix again. Delicious. Even like this on its own, it's delicious. Now add in the eggs. Mayonnaise. Add in just a little bit of ketchup and mix it. When you're done mixing, pour it into your serving bowl and serve. So I'm not going to use the sardine. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave suggestions